Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. And today I will be reacting to a song. This is a song from a Malayalam film, Premam Malare. Malare has been one of the most requested, songs for me to react to. So I'm really excited. The last song when I reacted to Nee, I said that the next song will be Malare. So yes, let's just without delaying this, because this is like a 5-minute song. So let's just get into the reaction. Okay. And I know a lot of you have asked me to watch this film. I will. There are a lot of films that I anyways have to watch. Not just Malayalam, but yes, English, Hindi, Bengali. So I'm gonna get into it. I'm gonna get to it. Yes. Okay. Oh my god, Niveen is unrecognizable. Of course, it's a fairly old film. Also a romantic song.
നിറമാർന്നൊരു കനവെന്നിൽ തെളിയുന്ന പോലെ പുഴയോരം തഴുകുന്നീ തണുനീറൻ കാറ്റും പുളകങ്ങൾ ഇഴനെയ്തൊരു കുഴലൂതിയ പോലെ കുളിരേകും കനവെന്നിൽ കതിരാടിയ കാലം മനതാരിൽ മധുമാസം തളിരാടിയ നേരം അകമരുവും മയിലിണകൾ തുയിലുണരും കാലം എന്നകതാരിൽ അനുരാഗം പകരുന്ന യാമം അഴകേ അഴകിൽ തീർത്തൊരു ശിലയഴകേ മലരേ എന്നുയിരിൽ വിടരും പനിമലരേ.
Niveen looks great, huh?
മലരേ നിന്നെ കാണാതിരുന്നാൽ മിഴിവേകിയ നിറമെല്ലാം മായുന്ന പോലെ അലിവോടെന്നരികത്തിൻ നണയാതിരുന്നാൽ അഴകേകിയ കനവെല്ലാം അകലുന്ന പോലെ ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ ആത്മാവിനാഴത്തിനുള്ളിൽ അതിലോലമാരോരും അറിയാതെ സൂക്ഷിച്ച താളങ്ങൾ രാഗങ്ങൾ ഈണങ്ങളായി ഓരോരോ വർണ്ണങ്ങളായി ഇടറുന്നൊരെൻ്റെ ഇടനെഞ്ചിനുള്ളിൽ പ്രണയത്തിൻ മഴയായി നീ പൊഴിയും നീ നാളിൽ തളരുന്നൊരെൻ്റെ തനുതോറും നിന്റെ അലതല്ലും പ്രണയത്താൽ ഉണരും മലരേ അഴകേ
ஷர்ட் நல்லா இருக்கு.
ஷர்ட் இல்ல, குர்த்தேன்.
குர்தா
கேரளா சாரி சூப்பரா இருக்கு.
Oh, Sobhan.
കുളിരേകും കനവെന്നിൽ കതിരാടിയ കാലം മനതാരിൽ മധുമാസം തളിരാകമരുവും മയിലിണകൾ തുയിലുണരും കാലം എന്നകതാരിൽ അനുരാഗം പകരുന്ന യാമം അഴകേ അഴകിൽ തീർത്തൊരു ശിലയഴകേ മലരേ എന്നുയിരിൽ വിടരും പനിമലരേ
Malar. Oh, her name is Malar, the heroine.
നമുക്ക് ആദ്യം സിമ്പിൾ സ്റ്റെപ്പ് നോക്കാം. ഓക്കെ
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, it's over.
ലാസ്റ്റ് വയ്ക്കുന്നു.
Didn't it end a little abruptly? Let me play the last part again. Wait. It just ended abruptly then. It slows down. But yeah, say.
നമുക്ക് ആദ്യം സിമ്പിൾ സ്റ്റെപ്പ് നോക്കാം.
But it ends. Okay, fine. Let me close this first. Okay, so that was the song Malare from Premam. Now, before I give my thoughts on the song, let me know if this is like a romantic film. Now that I've looked at the song and the movie name is Premam, I'm guessing it's a romantic film. Okay, so the first thing about the song, the first credit that I want to give is to the playback singer. Wait, who's the playback singer? Vijay Yesudas. So Vijay Yesudas needs a round of applause because the song wouldn't have felt how it felt if he didn't sing it so well. So Mr. Vijay deserves the full credit for this song. The way he has sung it, I think his vocal range was fine. And somehow I felt when he was singing and Niveen was doing the lip syncing, I don't know. I somehow felt that the voices matched. I could be wrong. You could feel different, but I felt that the Niveen's voice, Niveen as a whole, his personality and the playback singing, it matched. Second thing, I love how in this song there is the pace of the song is the same. It remains the same. The pace, the speed, it neither slows down. It doesn't speed up. From start to finish, it just remains absolutely the same. That's what I loved about it. A lot of people now, there could be mixed feelings for this because a lot of people do not like when the song is just with the same pace. They would want some beat to come in or to slow down or it to speed up. But personally, I think I prefer it to be in the single pace because there is no beat. The song doesn't have any beat. I think the instrument which was most heavy to my ears was the violin. I think that was the one. So for that kind of song which doesn't have a beat, the song really doesn't need to slow down or speed up or change, its pace. So that's what I liked about it. The violin that was specifically playing, I hope I'm correct in saying that it's the violin. If I'm wrong, please let me know. And also Niveen, what I loved about this song, this is really not a compliment to the song, but I enjoyed watching this because of Naveen's expressions, like how he was singing and expressing the love to the female actor. I do not know who the female actor is, so please let me know who she is because there is no name written here. It's just written Premam Malare in the title. So I really like how Niveen acted, which made it an enjoyable watch for me. Will I listen to this song again and again? Probably no, because this is a song which really depends on the mood. The mood needs to be right to listen to this song. You can listen to a dancey number any day, but this is a song which will actually, when you are just want to be alone with your thoughts and you just need, like, you want to feel loved, you want to feel the love, I think that's when I would prefer playing this song. So yeah, that was my thoughts after listening to the song Malare. This is, of course, I think out of all the reactions of song that I have done, this is the best one. This is definitely the best one. The best song that I've listened to is in Charlie and Komalangi Nights. Those songs are still like my favorite ones from all the films that I watched. But in terms of the music video reactions, this is the best one. So yes guys, that was my reaction. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have come till the end of the video. If you have, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.